Taking care of your kidneys is really important for staying healthy. Kidneys do a lot for our bodies. They clean out waste and extra water from our blood, control blood pressure, and make hormones that help our body work right. But some foods can make it harder for our kidneys to do their job, and they might even hurt them. In this video, we'll talk about 10 foods that aren't good for your kidneys and suggest some vegetarian options that are better for them. Processed meats. Eating processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats too much can be tough on your kidneys. They're packed with sodium and phosphorus, which can strain your kidneys. Also, they often have stuff added to them to make them last longer, which can hurt your kidneys over time. Instead of processed meats, try plant-based proteins like tofu, tempeh, or legumes such as lentils and chickpeas. They're better for your kidneys and still tasty. Soda and sugary drinks. Drinking soda and sugary drinks a lot can be bad for your kidneys. These drinks have a ton of sugar and something called phosphoric acid, which can make your kidneys not work as well and can even cause kidney stones. It's better to drink water, herbal teas, or fresh fruit juices instead. They're healthier options to satisfy your thirst. Canned foods. Eating a lot of canned foods, especially ones with lots of salt, can lead to high blood pressure and hurt your kidneys over time. The insides of canned foods often have something called BPA, which can cause different health problems, including issues with your kidneys. Try to pick fresh or frozen fruits and veggies instead of canned ones when you can. They have less salt and harmful chemicals, so they're better for you in the long run. Red meat. Eating some lean red meat is okay in a healthy diet, but too much can be hard on your kidneys. Red meat has a lot of protein and phosphorus, which can strain your kidneys. It's also been linked to a higher chance of getting kidney stones or kidney disease. Try adding more plant-based proteins like beans, nuts, and seeds to your meals instead. They're easier on your kidneys and still tasty. High-sodium foods. Eating foods with lots of salt, like fast food, snacks, and canned soups, can make your blood pressure go up and make your kidneys work harder. Too much salt can make you hold on to extra water, causing swelling and making kidney problems worse. Instead of high-sodium foods, try to pick options with less salt. You can use herbs and spices to make your food tasty without adding salt. It's better for your kidneys and your health. Artificial sweeteners. Although artificial sweeteners might seem like a better choice than sugar, some studies say they might not be great for your kidneys. Certain ones, like aspartame and saccharin, could make kidney problems worse or even cause damage. Instead of artificial sweeteners, try natural ones like stevia or monk fruit to sweeten your food and drinks. They're healthier options for your kidneys and still taste good. Alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can hurt your kidneys. Alcohol makes you lose water, which can mess up the balance of minerals in your body and make your kidneys work harder. Drinking a lot over time can also raise the chance of getting kidney disease or other kidney problems. If you decide to drink alcohol, do it in moderation, and make sure to drink plenty of water to keep your kidneys healthy. High potassium foods. Potassium is important for your muscles and nerves, but having too much can be bad if you have kidney problems. When your kidneys aren't working well, they might not get rid of extra potassium like they should. Foods high in potassium like bananas, oranges, tomatoes, potatoes, and avocados can be risky if you have kidney issues. Try to watch how much of these foods you eat. It might help to talk to a dietitian to make a meal plan that's good for your kidneys. Foods. High in oxalates. Oxalates are things in certain plant foods that can join with calcium and make kidney stones in some people. Foods high in oxalates include spinach, rhubarb, beets, nuts, and chocolate. If you're likely to get kidney stones, it might be a good idea to not eat too much of these foods, but you can still enjoy them sometimes, just in small amounts. Drinking plenty of water can also help stop kidney stones from forming. Excessive protein. While protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, excessive protein intake can put strain on the kidneys, particularly in individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. High-protein diets, such as those popularized for weight loss or muscle building, can increase the workload on the kidneys and may accelerate kidney damage over time. Aim for a moderate intake of protein from a variety of sources, including plant-based options like tofu, beans, and quinoa. Conclusion: Taking care of your kidneys is super important for staying healthy overall. Making smart choices about what you eat can really help your kidneys work well. By not eating foods that can hurt your kidneys too much, and picking kidney-friendly options from vegetarian foods, we can keep our kidneys in good shape and stay healthy for a long time. Remember, if you're worried about your kidneys or have kidney problems already, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor or dietitian for advice that's just right for you. Thank you for watching KidneyVeg Delights. Remember, your kidney health matters. By avoiding these 10 harmful foods and incorporating more kidney-friendly options into your diet, you can take proactive steps to safeguard your kidneys. Stay hydrated, eat nutritious meals, and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Together, let's prioritize our kidney health for a vibrant and fulfilling life.